Hello, my name is Long, and this is the homework assignment for the fractal zebra canvas draw. So in the first part, I will showcase the code functionality and then the video that we got from the Blender. So as you can see here, we got all the code written right here. And when you run it, you will see that it will generate all of this image. Now, each image basically represents a frame in the video, where this will be the top stripe and then the bottom stripe and then top stripe again. It's just basically, yeah, every time like a stripe is drawn, it will output an image. And when we compose that in the Blender video editor, we will get this video right here where you can see that, yeah, the zebra stripe is being drawn out and create a full video. And then let me go to the part 2 where I will go over the code. So luckily, I didn't have to change much in this code, where the majority of thing that our team add is just basically saving an image of either the top stripe or bottom stripe when when the thing is print or drawn. So let me go over the full code. The first thing I went over is the int width and int height. This is basically just initializing the canvas where the zebra stripe will be drawn. And then the graphic 2D just basically used to draw the shape and line of the image. We then set the background image to white, and then just basic canvas background to white, so we can slave for the action. And then we always set also the drawing color to black for the stripe. The C will also be random number generator with the current system time, so it's always random. So the left and right here will basically use to track the side being processed and offset control the spacing between the stripe in here. So basically every stripe is offset by 50 pixel pretty much. And then the first for loop right here will basically loop through the entire canvas horizontally instead of like 3-time offset, and to create the sequences and stripe. The double adjust one, and it's basically 2, 3, 4 also, will generate a small random adjustment to add variant to the curvature of each stripe. So if you go back to the picture right here, we'll see how each stripe is slightly different from each other rather than being entirely the same. So that's where the random number and the adjust is kind of played into right there. The first part, the draw fractal arc right here, we'll just basically draw the fractal arc, the zigzag pattern for the top stripe on the left and right side. And then for the for loop right here will basically be the filling, where it connect the point of the left arc and the right arc with straight line to create like a full pattern. Then that's where our code come in, where we after the first stripe is drawn, like in let's see here, after the first line is the stripe is raw, this code will basically save an image of it and with a unique name. That's where this come in, where basically it just count from 0 up. Similarly, the bottom stripe, the map file and everything is the same. And after that, the save image is pretty much the same as this one, where once the bottom stripe is finished drawing, it will just save an image and put it into a library for us. And after that, we just take both the image and compose it in Blender Video Editor. The private static double random adjustment will just return a small random value within the range of just minus adjustment divided by 2 right here. And then the save image just basically save the current state of the image as a PNG file, so we can edit it later and just add anything we want to it. And then the public static void draw fractal arc is just to use to draw the fractal arc between 2 points. Let's say if the depth right here is equal 0, it will draw a straight line and then save the point. Otherwise, it will calculate like a midpoint adjusted by the curvature, and then recursively draw a smaller arc between the start, midpoint, and endpoint through the calculation. And yeah, that's pretty much the code. Yeah, thank you very much.